Hello everyone. The TV you see here is a Reliance Reconnect 32-inch smart television. So all the hardware inside it will be similar to most of the budget TVs. Now you see the standby light is on, and when I switch it on, the sound is okay, everything is okay, but as you can hear, the sound is good, sound is okay, but there is no picture. So let's switch it off first. Open the back cover. You see the groove here. Just yes. Now just keep it in this way. Now you can see the standby light. Now let us switch it on. Okay. Now we can see the backlight. Here we can see the backlight. And let's check the voltage now. Okay. Now voltage downwards. It will be easy for checking the voltages. It's the negative terminal in one of the USB sockets. Ground of USB socket. Now it is set for DC voltage. This is the 12 volt point. 12 volt is good. Here there are several points, test points written, but all the big capacitors we need to get voltage. Here it should be actually 30 volts, no voltage. Here it is written. Voltage here we get 1.8, 1.2. So all we need to do is, here we can see several CKV points. So we need to isolate them. We need to cut the CKV points. Let me try to zoom it. Okay. In this particular Ticon timing control board, here you see all these are the CKV points for right side of this screen. The panel is divided into two parts, right and left. So these CKV points are for right side, and here these points are for left. Here you see these two. There are two possibilities. What you can do, if you want, you can cut the left side first. Actually, in many of the other big TVs, we see that there are two different FPC cables connected to left and right side of the screen, and we just remove the one side strip and we get to know which side is shorted and which side CKV pins we need to isolate. But in this case, it is directly connected to a single chip on film IC. So we need to just cut the tracks and then check. For checking the tracks, the left side track, usually it comes from here. Here you see, this is the IC. Okay, here we see, this is the main IC. They say it is DC to DC, but I am not sure much. These bunch of tracks, these tracks, you see these tracks, they flow to the CKV section. Here you see, they come here, these points, and backside you can see these points here, these points, and from here again they go to the left side of the COF IC, that is left side screen. They flow here towards here, left side. These are the CKV points. So only one IC, it supplies CKV pulses. Both the pulses are connected in parallel to the left and the right top part of the screen. So now what we can do is, you can either cut this one here for the left side first, and if you cut it here, it will be easy to solder it back. Or if you have doubt on the right side, you first cut the right side, then solder it. Left, I disconnect the left side first, then I'll go with right. If you wish to fire, you can cut one by one. Every time you just cut one, connect the system, check it for working. In that way you can find out only one track, which track is short with the ground. So let's connect it and check. So now let me connect it and check if it's good. Switch it on. Standby is good. Let me lift it and check. You can see the screen is good now. Earlier there was no picture at all. Now it's good. Okay. As you can see, now it's working fine. So we'll pack it back now. First of all, switch it off. Switch it off. Then As you see now, in this case there is no soldering, no cutting on the front side, only we have done some cutting on the back side. Here I will show you once again where we have cut. This shows that the left side of the screen was short. Here you can see we have cut only few of the lines, CKV lines of the left side. Now we will pack it back, insert the PCB in the rubber here, the back cover. This one is surroundings. So now it's good. This solution can be applied for most of the TVs that have a single chip on film IC tick-on board, time control board. As you can see now it's working fine. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in solving the powering on, sound okay, no display of your 32-inch smart TV, Android TV. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.